you ever looked at your paintings and felt like something was missing, but you couldn't quite tell what? It might not be your colours, it could be your values. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple value chart and why it's one of the most powerful tools to improve your painting instantly. Hi, I'm Brenda, and today we're focusing on one of the most important foundations in art, which is value. Value is the range of light to dark. I'll walk you through what it is, why it matters, and how to make a value chart that you can use again and again. So first things first, what is a value chart? Value means lightness or darkness of a colour. It's like we're not talking about the value or the price of a painting here. I have a finished value chart here. Another name for it is a grayscale. You can do this in black to white, or you can do it in any other colour and bringing it gradually into white. The reason value is so important is that it creates form, depth and contrast in a painting. A lot of beginners struggle with it. One of the common issues that I would see, especially in my own paintings, would be flat paintings with a lack of contrast. I've done two simple little paintings here of an apple, just to show you what I mean by that. These are by no means perfect, but in the first one, we've used the grayscale as much as possible to create the illusion of an apple. And in this one, as you can see, it's quite flat. So I haven't used as much value, and it's just to give you the difference of how sometimes paintings can look quite flat. And the reason is there isn't a variation of tone in the image. What I'm going to go through next is how to make a value chart. I'm just going to demo this for you, and you can follow along and do your own chart at home. So we start with pure black in this column here. It's a handy reference guide to have a value chart painted out, and it's a good exercise to do. It trains your eye. So we're mixing black into this, a little bit of white to give us the next value down in the chart. You can barely see the variation there, but there is white in it because we're gradually going from black and into white. That might need an extra little bit of white. So we're aiming for slight variation as we move down the chart. I'm just adding a slight little bit of black into these whites here to make sure that it's gradually going a little bit lighter. I'm adding less black as I go along, as you can see. And that's our value chart. So I've gradually mixed, as you can see along here. I placed out a little bit of white all the way down, and then I just added in a little bit of black and kind of gently gradiated it down. So then you're left with your value chart to complete any kind of painting that you want to do. These are acrylic paints and they dry really quickly, so I would advise to mix a slow drying medium in with them as well. I suppose just for using your value chart, you want to use it as a reference really while mixing. Check your values in your composition first and see which ones do I need to use. You could simplify things by using reference photos that are black and white as well, just for practice. And also you can use a value chart with colour to separate chroma from value. I hope this has helped. Value really is the secret weapon of every great painter. Don't skip this step. It is the foundation that will help every single painting you create from here on in. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful. Give it a thumbs up and I'd love if you could subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much. Bye.